sengi nakaliang jongi ki artli ki seng jong kinong hikai hapo East Janji Hills District kataka Janji Hills Lower Primary School Teachers Association Credit Unit bat kam Meghalaya SSA School Association East Janji Hills District Unit ngiwan syakmat ban pentip syapi baro kinong hikai kiba hikai haki school government aided bat SSA School hapo East Janji Hills District ba nakaliang jongi ki arseng hadin ba ngila yoi banakaliang jok office jong deputy commissioner East Janji Hills District ula penmi ya ka order haka arpo waitrik jong banai Jun haka baidai ban pentrekam ya uni UB attendant apps nak benta jongi ki nong hikai kaba ula petha ya ka office jong subdivisional school education officer bat kunjur office jong district mission coordinator East Janji District bakin petha ya paro kinong hikai kiba hikai haki school government aided but SSA bakin register but pendon kam ya uni UB attendant apps na jo ka sitrik Julai arhajar arpulai syakmat de habai dei bat kani ka benta na da ka jing singukya ya kani ka kam nakaliang jongi ki arseng nila yolat bani kendo ya minister badon borom jong ka education department isar rakam sangma haka arpulai trik jong mentau benai banyak keren company haka bai dei bat kacing penenkam ya uni UB attendant apps hapo East Janji Hills District Unit East Janji Hills District TKA ka ba penlengo yangi kong kino yalam kacing kendo jongi bat minister badon borom ilaya tho hangi ba nakaliang jong deputy commissioner East Janji Hills District upentrai kam ya uni UB attendant apps claim dayo jingbit na ka education department jong ka sarkar jela te hakabai dei berkane nakaliang jong minister ila ptha ya director jong ka school education and literacy government of Meghalaya ba unsik clarification na deputy commissioner jong ka East Janji Hills patkum juro ban pha ya ka report ba hakano ka rukom but with whose permission ka ba ula pentre kam ya ni UB attendant apps hapo East Janji Hills District Unit East Janji Hills District na ka benta ban trace ya ka attendance jongki nohikai ki bahikai haki government aided but SSA school kaba arpat kaba nakaliang jongi ki atli ki seng jongki nohikai kaba penlengo yang ikalongba haka arpo sau trik jong mentau benai kala don ka we ka city kaba nakaliang jong ka office jong district mission coordinator East Janji Hills ula pha syaki cluster resource person bakin organize ni bakin conduct ya ka training na kabanta kumno ban pentrekam ya uni UP attendant apps ka banlong nado ka arpondutrik hado ka arpratrik jong mentau benai pi ngi nakaliang jongi ki atli ki seng ngi penremjur ya kan ni ka jingle jong ka office jong district mission coordinator da ka jingpatha jong ka office jong deputy commissioner East Janji Hills District ban penlong ya ka training hakung kan ni ka por ba paro ki school ki penlong ya ka half yearly exam. Pi kajingkali ka ba mi menta ba kajing patha na kaliang jong office ka long ba nilai training kata ka por ki labu nando shipau beje sheneng. Ti kajingkali ka ba mi menta ka long ba kinong hikai kin lecture school ban conduct ya ka exam ne kin sengap ya ka ni ka order ka ba mi na ka office jong district mission coordinator lang ba kajing patha jong ka office jong deputy commissioner ban lej atten ya kini ki training. Pi hang ne ka paushai ba kini ki artli ki office na dok office jong district mission coordinator but ka office jong deputy commissioner East Janji Hills District ki klem perkhat ya ki jing ki ba ki kena school kin ya kendo ande ki su perkhat bet ba kumno ban pentrekam ya ni UB attendant apps kani ka long ka ka ba nakaliang jongi ki seng jong keno hikai ngisngau ba nimla ban pediam te mentakas ni nakaliang jongi ngi kwa ban pha ya ka kerwa ke pasai sa baro kinong hikai ki bahikai haki school government aided but ki SSA ba kumbang ilabu da ka jingtho haka khandai trik jong ubnai Jun ka ba nakaliang jongi ngila persya jur ya ka jingpetri kam yo new apps but kumjuru ngila kerpat ya ka office jong deputy commissioner ban pinsange no si sendon te ngi pha ya ka khubor ka basai sipi ba ngim dai ban le yeshim benta hakini ki training iba nakaliang jong ka office jong district mission coordinator perkumjur ka office jong deputy commissioner East Janji Hills ki pelong nado ka 800 trik hado ka 8 pratrik jong mentau benai. Ban nakaliang jongi ru ngimban si ban shim ya karai ke pateng balada nakaliang jong ke office jong Deputy Commissioner East Janji Hills udang peteng ban ya syakmat ban pentrekam ya ni UB attendant apps nakaliang jongi hadin bala akut ke hafirli exam jong ki kena ngimban si ban shim da kirai ki pateng wat ban penlong da ki program jingeki ki bangin lech som kelai mongor hangtai hakmat office jong Deputy Commissioner East Janji Hills ban dawa na u ba unweng mardor ban pentrekam ya uni UB attendant apps.